today's tutorial, we will be creating 50 YouTube shorts within 5 minutes with the help of two AI tools. Number 1, ChatGPT OpenAI to create the texted script and the theme for the shorts. And second is Canva to create 50 YouTube shorts and animate and render them. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. In Chrome browser, type chat.openai.com and the first link, right click and open it in a new tab. If you have not set up your account yet, then you can sign up, otherwise log in. You may log in with your email address, Gmail account or your Microsoft account. Now this is my ChatGPT dashboard. Here on this message section, you type your command. For me, it is 50 city names of Europe, why they are famous, divided into 2 columns. So I'll just go by this and let it generate 50 such outputs. So I'll just copy it. Now let us open Excel or Google Sheet. And now I will have to go to this Save As option from File, Save As. And from the drop down of file type, you will have to choose CSV, comma separated value. So this CSV should be the format, and save it. Step 3. Go to Google and type canva.com. Enter. I will be giving the link for getting Canva Pro account free for 30 days in the description. So that is an affiliate link. You can go for it and you can upgrade your account to Canva Pro for free for 30 days on 30 days trial basis. So once you log in to Canva, this is the dashboard. From the search bar, you'll have to type YouTube Shorts because that's what I am going to create today. So I'm going to make shorts. So here they will be giving a lot many templates. So you can use any of these if you want. There are many free templates with the link of 30 days trial. You can still use these pro assets as well. So for me, for this video, I'm taking this free asset. I'll just click on this template and go to customize this template option. Now it will come in this way. So these extra 3 pages I don't need. So I will simply select them and press delete on my keyboard. I just need one template here. I will have to delete this. I don't like these 2 extra elements. So I'll just position my text element here and duplicate it and position it into 2 places. Now, whatever customization you want to make in terms of, text color or style or effects, that you will have to make at the first page itself. So we will just select the upper one, go to effect option. Here I will take this outline effect and I will make the outline lot more thicker, and I will take black color for the same. And for the text color, I will again select it, go to this color option, and I will take this green color. And this is what is going to be my headings, and this is going to be little small so that I can accommodate the main body. So these 2 will be representing my 2 columns. Now in the left hand side, you can go to this app option and here you can type bulk. Okay, the bulk create remains in more from Canva option, but it should ideally be there at little in left hand side widget, this bulk create option. So since I have used it once, so it has come here. So I'll come in this option and go to this upload CSV. I have already created the CSV, so I will open that. See, there are 2 columns for that. I have got 2 sections. So for the first section, I will have to go to this top text box, right click and go to connect data. And from here, I will connect the first data. Now I will go to the next part, right click, connect data, and I will connect the second data. As soon as these 2 are connected with your text, you just need to place them in such a way so that entire text is getting covered inside within your template, right? If you want to do any further customization, that you may do later as well. Once this is done, you can continue it. Then once you continue, you'll have to select all these options, all 50 options, and generate. So once you click on generate, it will generate the templates for you with the same background. Right? Now, if you want to remove the background and change a couple of it, let's suppose in the second video, I don't want this background. So I will right click on the background and I will detach the video and delete it. Then after that, you little bit come downwards and go to this videos option. Here I am looking for a London picture. So I will type London and I will get many videos of London. So I will take this one, set the video as background, and then situate your text wherever you want. I ideally like to give a background, so I will go to effects option for the second text box. I'll go to effect option. I will go for the background option and I will position it in the right place. Okay. Likewise, if you want to change the duration, like this is having 4 minutes duration. Okay. Likewise, you can change all other videos as well. Let me show you once more. I want a Venice video, so I will type Venice in videos and I have got beautiful pictures of videos of Venice. You can choose any of these. Let me take this one. I can directly right click and replace background and it will be replaced. So I will take this text box again. I will go to effects. I always like to give an outline so that it looks clean. And once you're ready, like you just position it in the right way. Like that, you can change all these videos. Let me show you one more one more way. I will just select this and I want if you want a static picture at the end, at the back end, then you can go for photos in the left hand side. Before video, above it, there will be photos option. So here I will type Rome. Enter. Now I got beautiful pictures of Rome. Let's suppose I take this one, right click. I'm taking this one, right click and replace the background. And again, text box has to be this. You can make it even at the beginning when I was changing everything. And once it is done, then for the background, for the timing, you can check if it is a static image, then you get this option, timing option, and here you simply make it 14, okay? Or else you can drag this to 14 and just change it, apply to all pages. But this option comes only for the static image. So once it is done, you are ready to download. After all the customization is finished, then you can go to this share option and you can download it in MP4 format. Go to this all pages option, definitely uncheck the box and tick individually 1 or 2 boxes together. Either you can do this way, or I personally individually download each one of it. I download each one of it separately and then use it and upload it in my social media or in my YouTube as shorts. So do done and then download. It will get downloaded in your laptop. So guys, this is how you can create 50 amazing YouTube shorts on a click within 5 minutes. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.